Hey everybody, it's Dr. Go once again. We've got a new Mishimoto radiator here ready for the GTO. Been driving the Le Mans quite a bit, having fun with that. And today we're gonna hopefully get the radiator in and hopefully try to get it running again. So we'll see.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
So we've got everything back in and hooked up, I believe. I think everything's good. New radiator is finally in. Had a little bit of struggle trying to get that around, but we just filled it with antifreeze, leaving the cap off. We're going to try to fire it up and hopefully everything sounds good. We're leaving the bumper off right now just so that we can kind of see easier under the car if, you know, something's leaking or whatever. So once again, we put in a new front crank seal. So we're going to be watching to make sure there's no oil leaking out of there with this new one. Got a new radiator, shouldn't have any antifreeze issues. So yeah, we're going to fire it up and see how it goes. And let's get that tire on and get that out of the way, and maybe we can go for a short little drive without the bumper on. We're gonna try going on a short drive now. So far all my gauges are looking good. I'm not gonna get right on it first thing. Also pretty low on fuel, so that's good. We took her for a couple more spins. Yeah, I definitely had some air in the engine or radiator. I don't know what you want to say. There was some air in it anyways, though, from me just kind of filling up the radiator and trying it like that. Apparently that's not the way to go. But done that. As far as we can tell, I'm gonna head out for the night. But as far as we can tell, obviously, no antifreeze leaks, which I am assuming that was that other leaking radiator was the only cause of that, hopefully. So far, haven't seen any oil leaks, and I have gotten on it a few times. And we don't have any belt slip anymore, so that tells me that, you know, either some antifreeze or some oil was getting on the belt, causing it to slip, or I just didn't have it tight enough because we got it quite a bit tighter than what I had it. And yeah. So far so good. We're going to come back tomorrow, like I said. We'll see if anything has leaked, and if not, if we're all good, we'll get the bumper on and get her out of here, and I'll take you guys for a little drive with it. Okay, so it's officially the next day. Got the go right here. We're going to go ahead and throw the bumper on, hopefully real quick. All we've got to do left is put the bumper on and put our little radiator shield cover, whatever you want to call that. We should be ready to go. It's been snowing. Earlier it was snowing. Can't believe it. It's almost mid-May now. But roads are clear, they're just wet. But we'll still take it out for a little spin afterwards. Should be fun. Roads are nice and wet, so that's always good, especially when you've got damn near bald tires. So we probably won't be getting on it very much. And more good news, I already found a couple more things that need replaced. You know, I've always heard the saying GTOs, gas, tires, and oil. Well, apparently it's more than that. Especially when you're Procharged. So we are all up to temp now. Obviously, with my bald tires and it being wet out, I am definitely not gonna be boosting all that hard today, because I'm curious, and a few other people are curious as to if I'm gonna be able to get more boost out of it than I was. You know, last year I was getting about 8 pounds of boost max, and if you have or haven't seen, the Procharger, the impeller was pretty messed up when I took it out to change the oil earlier this winter. And so I sent it in to Procharger and got a new impeller put on it, new impeller and new seals. So yeah, that was a good $1,500 for that. Woo! I'm not gonna risk it too much there. That was second and third gear, just kind of stepping on it for a split second and completely lost traction there. Even right there in fourth gear, just kind of slowly getting on it. No, absolutely no traction. But that's alright. I was hoping for a better day so that we could do not necessarily boosted launches, but you know, get some boosted action in there. So I think that's about gonna wrap it up for this video. If you guys enjoyed watching me, you know, get this back together and get it around, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Drop a comment on, you know, anything you think I should do to the car, or anything you might want to see on the channel. And as always, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.